me, Barcelona is a personal highlight of the year. When we go up the hill and you have all the grandstands and the fans, it's, I would say, the extremist feeling we have. But then also the general track layout I really love. There is an awesome jump and the Joker Lap merge, and there a lot of action happened over the years. Flat, and everybody knows when you have fifth gear on the display and turn in there with 150, 160 kilometers an hour, that's by far the best one. The Joker Lap is one of the easiest one because it's tarmac, but then the merge into the normal track is really challenging because the guy on the normal track has the advantage to go first, so the merge is really exciting. I will definitely sit just exit of turn 7, because up there you can see the whole track.